Hey there, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe, and today I'm going to walk you through our referral program. When you log into YouCanBookMe, you can click on your profile photo on the top right-hand corner, and right there, Refer and Earn. Let's click on it together. When this pops up, the biggest thing to see is your unique referral code. This is your unique link. If you give this to your friends, anybody who clicks this link and signs up for YouCanBookMe is automatically credited back to your account. And you get the credit for sending them our way. And we should be saying thank you, right? So that's what we're here to do. Once people start signing up, you can track everything here in the back end of YouCanBookMe. So you've got your referrals tab. This will show you anybody who has signed up using your referral link. And you've got your rewards tab, which will show you all of the rewards that you've earned through YouCanBookMe. Now, this is a dummy account that I use for recording videos, so there's no referrals to it. Sorry. But here's a quick breakdown of everything you need to know. You share your link, your friend signs up. The app tracks everything automatically. And when they decide to switch to a paid version, which they don't have to do, we'll get into that, but they automatically get 50% off. And depending on the package that they've chosen, you'll get anywhere between $4 to $25 in credit directly to your account. And we pay out those rewards monthly. So let's make this real. Pretend that you go in here, you grab your referral link, and you send it out to 3 different friends. If all 3 of these people use your link to sign up for YouCanBookMe, and all 3 people get paid accounts, you're gonna get credit for every single one of those 3 people. And your friends, they each all got a 50% off discount on their first purchase, and that's awesome. The other thing that's important, and I did tease this already, they don't have to commit right away. They can go through the 2-week free trial period. They can have a free account for as long as they want. Free forever, no credit card required until they're ready. And when it is the right fit for them, they can go ahead and upgrade. Because they created the original account using your link, you'll get the credit even if it takes them a few months to decide it's time, and that's okay. A couple of really important things to know. The 50% discount applies no matter what plan they choose. If they go yearly, they're also getting a 10% discount on top of the 50% discount for going yearly. And if they pay every 2 years, they stack a 20% discount on top of the 50% discount you've given them. That's insane. So yearly becomes 60% off. Every 2 years becomes 70% off. That's nuts. So if your referral signs up, you'll receive your credits paid out the following month directly into your account. And it's that simple. Copy your link, share it with your friends, earn those credits, and give your friends a discount because they deserve it. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for sharing about YouCanBookMe.